Allahu, 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 Allah. Allahu, Allahu, La ilaha illallah.
Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to our channel. Let's get into the video today and learn 10 new information.
What are the 3 things where you will be rewarded just by looking at them? Your options are Option A, Quran, Kaaba and parents, or Option B, Quran, Makkah and Medina. The right answer is Option A, Quran, Kaaba and parents. Who records all the good and bad deeds of every humans? Your options are Option A, Yameen and Shimal, or Option B, Kiraman Katibin. The right answer is Option B, Kiraman Katibin. Which 2 angels are called as Kiraman Katibin? Your options are Option A, Jibrail and Mikail, or Option B, Raqib and Atid. The right answer is Option B, Raqib and Atid. Which angel is the guardian of paradise? Your options are Option A, Malik, or Option B, Ridwan. The right answer is Option B, Ridwan. Which angel is the guardian of hellfire? Your options are Option A, Ridwan, or Option B, Malik. The right answer is Option B, Malik. How many ayats are there in Surah Al-Jinn? Your options are Option A, 24, or Option B, 28. The right answer is Option B, 28. How many ayats are there in Surah Al-Muzammil? Your options are Option A, 45, or Option B, 20. The right answer is Option B, 20. How many ayats are there in Surah Al-Muddathir? Your options are Option A, 48, or Option B, 56. The right answer is Option B, 56. How many ayats are there in Surah Al-Qiyamah? Your options are Option A, 40, or Option B, 55. The right answer is option A, 40. How many ayats are there in Surah Al-Insan Ad-Dar? Your options are option A, 35 or option B, 31. The right answer is option B, 31.
Every new information you learn about Islam and share with others, inshallah, you will be rewarded sadaqah jariyah for it. So to learn more information about Islam consistently, subscribe to our channel and check our new videos. If you are new to this video, please check our old episodes and subscribe to our channel. Alhamdulillah.